Good morning, children. Today we will continue Chapter 5, the Southern Plateaus and the Islands. During last time, we have studied about the Southern Plateaus, and today we will continue with the islands. There are many small islands along the coast. Away from the coast, there are two big island groups, and there are two big island groups away from the coast, and they are Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Island. Today we will study in detail about Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in the Bay of Bengal. The 10-degree channel separates the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. 10-degree channel means here is Andaman and here Nicobar, and this area is 10-degree channel. The islands in this group are hilly, means the islands are in Andaman and Nicobar are hilly. Fishing and farming are the main occupations, means the people of Andaman and Nicobar Island do fishing and farming. Rice is the main crop grown in the Andaman Islands, means the people of Andaman grow rice. Coconut and areca nut are grown in the Nicobar Islands. Coconut you all know, नारियल जिसे हम कहते हैं, and areca nut is supari. This is areca nut. Some people also make shell and wooden handicrafts, means they get shell from the sea and they make things from shell and wooden. Most people speak Bangla, means the people of Andaman Island also speak Bangla. The beautiful beaches and the cellular jail are major tourist attractions of Andaman. The cellular jail is in Port Blair. Many Indian freedom fighters were kept in this jail during Indian freedom Blair. Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep is a group of islands in the Arabian Sea. These islands are flat. Andaman and Nicobar Island is in Bay of Bengal and this Lakshadweep is in Arabian Sea. These islands are flat. There is difference between Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are hilly and Lakshadweep Islands are flat. Fishing is the main occupation of the people of Lakshadweep. Coconut is the main crop grown here, means the people of Lakshadweep they also grow coconut. Coir extracted from coconut is an important industry, means the things, coir means the outer part of coconut, and they make different things with that, and so there are so many industries related to coir. Most people speak Malayalam, means the people of Lakshadweep speak Malayalam and the people of Andaman and Nicobar speak Bangla and the people of Lakshadweep speak Malayalam. Many tourists visit these islands, means this is the place of tourist attraction also. Diu, part of the Union Territory of Daman and Diu, is also an island, means this is also an island. It is located off the coast of Gujarat in the Arabian Sea, means Diu is also island. So you have to learn this also. Here we have finished this chapter. Then do this exercise, fill in the blanks and true fall also in your book.